A Carnot engine has an efficiency of 1 by 6. Okay. But when the sink temperature is reduced by 62 degrees Celsius, the efficiency is doubled. Then we are asked to determine the original source and sink temperatures. Okay. So let's see. Here is a Carnot system, Carnot engine. This is source, this is sink. Okay. T1 is source, T2 is sink. So we know the efficiency of a Carnot engine is T1 minus T2 by T1. The source temperature minus sink temperature by source temperature. These temperatures must be in Kelvin. Okay. And it is given, initially the efficiency is 1 by 6. Right. So 1 by 6 is equal to T1 minus T2 by T1. T1 by T1 is 1 minus T2 by T1 is 1 by 6. Bringing T2 by T1 on one side, T2 by T1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6, which is 5 by 6. The new sink temperature is 62 degree lesser than the previous sink temperature. Okay, so T2 dash, this is a new sink temperature, that is the original sink temperature minus 62. Okay, it is 62 degrees Celsius and Kelvin, both are same. Different, since being different, both could be same. Okay, then we know the new efficiency eta dash is equal to the source temperature, which doesn't have any change, minus the new sink temperature T2 dash divided by T1. So T1 minus the new sink temperature divided by T1 is equal to 1 by 3. That means 1 minus T2 dash by T1 is equal to 1 by 3. So T2 dash by T1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So T2 dash by T1 is equal to simply 2 by 3. And it's already given T2 dash is T2 minus 62, right? So let's substitute it here. So T2 minus 62 by T1 is equal to 2 by 3. That means T2 by T1 minus 62 by T1 is equal to 2 by 3. And what is T2 by T1? T2 by T1 we already obtained from the initial condition. T2 by T1 is the initial sink temperature and the ratio of initial sink temperature and source temperature, and which is equal to 5 by 6. So substituting it here, we have 5 by 6 minus what? 62 by T1 is equal to 2 by 3. That is 62 by T1 becomes 1 by 6. So T1 becomes 62 into 6. T1 becomes 62 into 6, which is 372 Kelvin. Okay. Now we already have T2 by T1 is equal to 5 by 6. This is from equation number 1. So T2 is equal to 5 by 6 T1. So 5 by 6 into 372. That is 5 into 62, which is 310 Kelvin. So we just got T2. T2 is 310 Kelvin. We already got T1. T1 is 372 Kelvin. Okay. So 372 Kelvin, T1 is 372 Kelvin, which is nothing but 99 degrees Celsius. 372 minus 273. Okay, you will get in degrees Celsius. This is 310 Kelvin. 310 Kelvin is 37 degrees Celsius. So 99 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. So let's check the answer. So answer is option B. Thank you.